We've kind of been on like a 7-day-ish stretch without really any precipitation. But we finally got at least something to maybe throw down some salt. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're just going to pre-salt. Hopefully that takes care of it. I'm assuming it's going to take care of it, but we'll see. So I'll bring you guys along for the ride. First thing I'm doing right now is just the road that goes around all the way around the hospital. So I do that first, and then I start doing the parking lots. I obviously work from most priority to least priority as far as the parking lot order goes. Camera comes in real handy. You can obviously tell when your salt's out. You can clearly see it on the camera, so it works out really nice. Usually when I'm doing the road, the spinner's turned down pretty low. That way it just doesn't obviously get all the salt on the lawn. And then when I'm doing parking lots, that spinner is basically all the way up. As far as the conveyor goes, every sander is different, but this 4.5 yarder I keep about halfway up. It shoots out quite a lot, so I'm trying to keep that to a minimum, be more efficient with my salt. Put a muffler on this truck last week. It was just too loud, straight pipe, so definitely don't want to be turning heads with that stuff, so definitely a lot quieter. steering wheel is making a bunch of weird noise. Almost sounds like a trout burp. Gotta love the 550 turning. Get a little bit more snow here in Walton. Yeah, they definitely did. This is also part of the hospital. All place to do. It's got 2 parking lots, 1 on each side. So it's about 3 hours since that last clip, and basically all the salt has essentially been covered by snow. The night shift guy is going to relieve me here pretty soon after I get done 1 more round of salt, and that'll be it for me till morning. So all in all, I bet you we got half an inch here at the hospital. Apparently in town we got as much as an inch in some spots, so gonna have to go and probably plow that because it's gonna be too much to just sand. So here we are a couple days later. Everything's looking pretty good. There's still some wet spots like in the side of that road here where the snow melts, but overall pretty damn good. Still a bunch of salt everywhere. Enough basically to kind of pre-salt for the next storm, which is in a couple days. Yep, ain't good. On all of our sanders, we equip these Quick Easy grease points here with lines going all the way to the front on both sides. That way we don't have to reach in there, climb in our bed, and grease it. Makes it a lot easier. Just gotta be careful not to overdo it because these lines will blow pretty easily. Usually 4 or 5 pumps is plenty. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.